ukuthi wena there's something great ngawe wena ukakayiboni but bona sebekubonile mfethu yayibona lento le embrace sengizoyiconclude mfethu kulento khona enye level yoku-embrace greatness mfethu yabona khona abantu mfethu abathi mabepromote because of fear ne-inferiority bayibona ngathi hawu abaphathi bami nje basebenginikele promotion it's a trap bafuna ngifaile khona bezongixosha embrace the thing mfethu cast away that fear embrace greatness ukuthi umphathi umethi khona project engifuna ukunikeza yona ngisho ngathi mfethu awuzethi awunayo show ask around singayenza kanjani lento mfethu ask abanye abantu abasebenza kwamanye ama-organizations bafethu umphathi wami unginika i-task kanjeni embrace greatness yini lena umphathi wakhe ayibukile kwena let's look on the other extreme uDavide siyamthola eBhayibhelini uSawulu ufuna ukuthi afe umnikeze i-task ukuthi ndoda ngifuna uyolanda ama-foreskins kuma-Philistines lona ngoba u-embrace greatness mfethu nakuba kuyi-trap ukuthi bafuna afeyile he goes into the battle and ubuya nawo ama-foreskins abawafunile why am I sharing that even if ufethu kuthiwa khona ama-positions onikezwe wona bafuna ufeyile God is still able ntanga ukuthi akuthathe sebebhalile ama-boardroom ukuthi asimnikeze leya project khona ezofeyile bese siyamxosha ufike uyinele leyo project bangakholwa mfethu yeso kanti bakunikeza stepping stone to your promotion bigger than what they were giving you today mfethu embrace your greatness why fanele embrace greatness because every battle that you're going to face every battle that you're going to come across izodinga that greatness that is instilled in you. I-battle engizoyifacea mina njengo angeke izofuna ama-strength kavuma izofuna ama-strength uNkulunkulu anginikeze mina uGideon uma kuthiwa qhawe linamandla khona i-strength uNkulunkulu ayisifake kuye umethi kuJoshua be strong and courageous. There's something unique about that. He had to embrace his greatness. Today, as you say, office, embrace your greatness. Ngisho ngathi unemployed, embrace your greatness, because that's where your breakthrough is. God is love.
Tulani ye kumete waisha khona kuthiwa imihlaba ehlosokwane